There was one case that I handled at the beginning of my career that gave me direction and purpose. Here in Jacksonville, you may see people selling shrimp on the side of the road, out of their trucks or vans. About 25 years ago, the seafood markets here in Jacksonville felt threatened by the competition from these small independent fishermen who were going out and catching shrimp and selling them. They were selling the shrimp cheaper than the seafood markets. So the seafood markets got together, hired a big corporate law firm, and tried to push through a city ordinance to prevent these people from selling shrimp on the side of the road. They argued that their shrimp was not clean, and they didn't have the proper facilities to keep the shrimp fresh, and that it was a public hazard to allow these people to sell their shrimp on the side of the road. A couple of these fishermen who were selling their shrimp out of their vans came to me and asked me to represent them. One of them was Archie McCoy, who became and has remained a friend of mine since that case. These guys didn't have the kind of money that the seafood markets had, but they knew they were selling a quality product. They knew that their shrimp was fresh and safe, and I knew that the big seafood markets weren't concerned about the health of the public. They just wanted to drive these little guys out of business. So we banded together, and we got as many of those roadside shrimp sellers as we could, and we put together what little money we had to hire a food scientist who was working for Anheuser-Busch. The scientist, believing that we were right, did not charge us his full rate, and we were able to prove that the shrimp being sold on the side of the road was just as fresh and just as clean as any seafood market here in Jacksonville. And we were able to go in front of the city council and defeat that law. That early experience proved to me as a young lawyer, only 1 year out of law school, that even if you don't have the financial resources, but if you have the passion for what you believe in, you can overcome the powerful business interests that are here to find a way to hurt the regular working guy.